Relationship verbs and phrases. To date. To bond. To help. To adopt. To raise. To trust. To marry. To blame. To engage. To gossip. To rely on. To open up. To divorce. To comfort. To lean on. To propose. To support. To forgive. To cheer up. To care for. To be loyal. To fall out. To cheat on. To apologize. To break off. To be honest. To encourage. To reconcile. To let go of. To flirt with. To care about. To look after. To renew vows. To compliment. To grow apart. To argue with. To build trust. To get engaged. To care deeply. To get married. To be separated. To fall in love. To move on from. To make up with. To show empathy. To offer advice. To be there for. To show respect. To move in with. To move forward. To get close to. To express love. To offer comfort. To live together. To cut ties with. To break up with. To fall out with. To make memories. To stay in touch. To show kindness. To plan a wedding. To raise a family. To show affection. To reconnect with. To get along with. To build intimacy. To stay committed. To nurture a bond. To work things out. To have a crush on. To listen actively. To be a role model. To spend time with. To make sacrifices. To become estranged. To communicate with. To make compromises. To support a family. To fall out of love. To trust each other. To file for divorce. To get back together. To make a commitment. To show appreciation. To practice patience. To celebrate success. To settle an argument. To celebrate together. To find common ground. To respect boundaries. To be a good listener. To deal with conflict. To have a strong bond. To give someone space. To ask for forgiveness. To share responsibility. To build a relationship. To understand each other. To announce an engagement. To move on after a breakup. To maintain a relationship. To work through challenges. To celebrate an anniversary. To enjoy each other's company.